Ensure each ceramic tile sits flat and true so the finished floor is safe and looks professional. Start by preparing a perfectly flat substrate using a self-leveling compound where needed and allow proper cure time. This eliminates large deviations before tile placement. Choose a high-quality thinset appropriate for the tile size and substrate and mix to the manufacturer recommended consistency so it trowels and holds tile without slumping. Use tile leveling spacers between adjacent tiles to lock top edges together. Insert the spacer base under the tile, then a wedge or cap on top to pull tiles to the same plane as you progress. Check constantly with a bubble level held across a pair of tiles and diagonally across 4 tiles to catch both edge and corner lippage. When you see a high tile, use a rubber mallet or a palm float to tap it down while rechecking level, and then immediately adjust the spacer tension so the tile remains flush. Keep joint widths consistent and remove the leveling system components at the proper time per the product instructions so grout can be installed without disturbing the plane. Common issues start with an uneven substrate which will always show through if you only rely on thinset. Fix this by profiling the floor with a straight edge and using a self-leveling underlayment where deviations exceed the thinset coverage tolerance. Second, inconsistent thinset ridges and trapped air cause tiles to sit high or low. Remedy this by using the correct notch trowel for the tile size and back butter large format tiles to ensure full bedding. Third, over-reliance on visual judgment without frequent bubble level checks leads to cumulative slopes or lippage across the field. Stop periodically, check across multiple tiles, and use your leveling spacers and wedges to maintain a uniform plane as you work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information so we can plan leveling and tile work with the right professionals. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other find work and solve real-world installation problems.